this brother, you know what I'm saying, he's doing something, he really like revealing his soul and he like, he trying to come get it. He a special one. And at the Diddy Cypher, you know what I'm saying, niggas can't be greedy with the plug. You know what I'm saying? At the Diddy Cypher, everybody gotta have respect for the plug, you know what I'm saying? So we can hear everybody's shit. But this nigga don't give a fuck. He wanted so bad, and I love him, that he asked, can he play another? And I say, hell yes! Let's go.
Sweet Lord, please have mercy. Baby Jesus, please save us. I know I used up my 3 favors. Back to sender like a week later.
The vibe that I think that we tapped into is sometimes we need to just get together and play our music for each other. And you know what I'm saying? Catch a vibe. I wouldn't really play my music for other niggas.
Congratulations.
I wouldn't play my music for a lot of niggas. But these type of niggas here will get inspired from each other and, you know, not jack each other and uplift each other.
Not jack each other and uplift each other. Very important.
It's important for artists, especially black artists, to get together and just motherfucking vibe.
Keep empowering that shit and on some black shit, on some minority shit, and we just gotta keep pushing this fucking culture forward. Cause this is our shit.
Nigga, I
it's
like
fucking our shit, for real.
And he talking that shit. And he talking.
I'm busy. Shit, I'm tired of punching niggas' teeth out. So I can't go to the club now. I got sneaking with Justin.